preview of it today.
Yeah, that's another Pro-Am versus Pro car. In number 41 car, that's the car that was started by Paul Nemschoff. It's the Pro driver now, there, Marc Miller, who's driving that car at the moment, and he doesn't want to let Jake Walker, who's running in the Pro category.
Absolutely loving it. I mean, these cars are a hoot to drive. They've got plenty of horsepower. They sound fabulous. And they handle really well. And this switch to the hang tyres this season, as you were saying earlier on, has been very, very well received by the drivers. Certainly can turn in extremely good lap times. The fastest laps we've seen here at WeatherTech Raceway within the Seca for many years.
Past Andy Lee, Marc Miller in that bright orange and black Lamborghini. He's gotten his way past and may get past McGee on the way down to the heel. Is Marc Miller, and very experienced driver, Trans Am champion. I mean, this is a guy who knows how to get things done, so they've put him in to finish.
As Paul Nemschoff comes out of the pits in car number 41 and is still, I think, in the class lead. I have to wait till they trip the timing barrier next time around. But great first hit by Marc Miller. Nemschoff, the former off-road powerboat racer, long success. He and his father in optional powerboat racing, and also inshore as well, because they hold the record for a race between Detroit and Chicago through the Great Lakes, California.
Here's a nice little battle. What are we looking at here? Nemschoff at the head of it, but he's lost the lead of come over the line once more. And perhaps the best opportunity is if he can stay close under the rear wing through the Curva Grande. He's got more momentum. Surely this time he can make it stick. The car almost moving around underneath him. Miller looks to the inside. There's a bit of a dive bomb that's needed, but he's kept the car on the island, and that's been done. And Andy Lee